Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite Amazon home finds that I purchased for my home recently. There are so many good decor products, DIY supplies, home organization pieces, and kitchen essentials that you definitely need to know about. So I'll have them all linked down below in the description box so you guys can check them out as well. But I'm also always updating my Amazon storefront. So if you're looking for some good Amazon finds, I update it weekly with my current purchases and a curated selection of products. So definitely check that out. But if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I am always on the hunt for good quality, affordable curtains, and I found the perfect pair on Amazon. I actually have them hung in this room here on either side of this window. These are pre-pleated semi-sheer linen curtains. They are amazing and they come in a pack of 2 for $45. I like to hang 2 panels on either side of the window to really give this full kind of custom look, but these hang so nicely because of that pre-pleated top. I got these in the color natural, but they also have white, I think they have a beige, and they come in so many different sizes so you can really find the right size for your home. I like that the natural color has a little bit of depth to it, so it has a little bit of those dark tones speckled throughout, but they're overall a really lightweight curtain. So once you steam them, they look super high-end. I could not recommend them more. They also come with curtain rings and the pleat hooks, so you don't really have to buy anything else except for your curtain rod, and you can get your curtains up super quickly. After purchasing these and seeing how nice they hang, I think I'm gonna purchase them for multiple rooms of the house, at least on the main floor, so I can create a cohesive look, but I'm very happy with them. So if you're looking for affordable, lightweight curtains that have that semi-sheer look, these are definitely a great pair. They're not blackout, which I really love for a main floor of your house, so you can still have that lightweight, whimsical look around your space. If you have those deep cupboards in your home that are hard to reach through, they really create this unorganized feel because everything gets hidden towards the back, you definitely need these drawers. These go right into your cupboard. They're adjustable in size, so this fits right into my entire cabinet. They come in a pack of 2 and you can install them with the peel and stick backing, or you can screw them right in to make it a little bit more permanent. And they actually pull out about 12 inches outside of your cabinet. So you can pull your entire bottom of your cabinet out to see all of your products. I have found that this has made my deep cupboards really functional, and it just adds that simple thing that you can use around your home. So it can be a renter-friendly solution or permanent. I'm gonna get them for pretty much all around my home to really get at those hard to reach areas. Now, a lot of my main furniture pieces around my home are light in color, but they're made with performance fabric. So I'm not really worried about them getting stained or having spills on them because everything just rolls right off. It's incredible. But for those items that I have that aren't made with performance fabric, I have really been relying on this Repel Well, and it turns your everyday furniture pieces into performance fabric pieces. As soon as you spray this on and let it dry, the fabric no longer takes in that spill, and all of the spills just roll right off just like performance fabric. I've been spraying this on all of my white furniture, even my rugs, and you can even use it on leather and buff it in to create that performance fabric effect. So this is definitely something you need if you have pets, if you have children, and you're worried about your furniture. It's $19.99 and I'm definitely gonna stock up on it. I chose this one because it doesn't have any scent at all and it's safe for pets. So I feel really comfortable using this around my home. So I highly recommend using this on your dining chairs, on your main sofa, your family room furniture, all of those high traffic areas around your home that you don't want stains on. Now, I actually got all of our flooring for this sunroom on Amazon. It came next day, it was affordable, it was easy to install, and it made such a huge, impactful difference in here. I'm so excited about it. You guys need to know about these. These are the Floor Pops peel and stick floor tiles, and wow, these just go right over top of your existing tile that you want to cover. So I had some dark beige tile in here that just looked old, and I wanted to freshen up the space. So I installed these floor tiles all over the room. You can create your own patterns with them. You can lay them in a checkered style, a diamond check style. You can even cut them down to size and really customize them, but these are very easy to install. They also have a lot of texture in them, so they're way more than just a little sticker. They have thickness to them, they have texture on the top, so it really feels like you're walking on real flooring. I've actually found that they kind of insulate your room a little bit more as well, because instead of walking on cold tile, this has actually warmed up our space a bit too, so I've really enjoyed that. Now, I wouldn't say use these over tile for your forever kind of look, but I think if you want to experiment with a design idea or a short-ish term solution, these are great. Eventually we'll do real flooring, but this really gave me the opportunity to see what this design idea would look like before I spent so much more on demolishing the floors and installing new tile. I think they look incredible in kind of small controlled areas like laundry rooms, mud rooms, bathrooms, powder rooms, and even a room like this that's kind of an extension of our home. Each box is $20, and again, that covers 10 square feet. So just depending on the size of your space, you can work out that math and see exactly how many you need. If you're installing these, make sure you do the extra step of caulking around your seams between the floor and the baseboard so you get this really seamless professional look. Also, I get a ton of questions about if you can see your flooring underneath these. These have such thickness to them that they actually lay right on top of your grout. You don't have to follow your tile pattern to install these. You can kind of lay them however you want, and they lay right over top, and you can't see your floor through them. I wanted to incorporate our wedding photos and family photos in a really tasteful, special way around our home, something that would create an experience but also looks decorative and kind of minimal, and I think I found the perfect photo albums on Amazon. These are linen covered books. Now they look exactly like a book, so you could style them on your built-ins, any kind of surface, and they look like a decorative, beautiful piece. But when you open them up, they have all of your 4x6 family photos. I'm so excited. I made a bunch of these and actually customized the spine of them using iron-on vinyl and my Cricut machine. So thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. This made these pieces come to life even more. I really wanted a special way to display our wedding photos around the house, so I made a bunch of these. I made a Mr. and Mrs. So this book has all the photos of us two together. I made one that just says Mrs., and this is like a photo album book that has all the photos of just me and getting ready and all about my dress. And then I also made my husband Christian his own. His is the black version, and I put the Mr. on the edge, and this is the photo album with all of his photos. So I think this is such a special way of storing our wedding photos and creating these moments around our home that are really special and make it feel very personalized. So all I did was cut out the text using my Cricut Maker machine. I put in the everyday iron-on vinyl. This is in the color gold because I wanted to do that kind of monochromatic look so they look really subtle, and then use my Cricut mini heat press to press on the vinyl, and now it stays long term and it looks incredible, and it looks like they came like this. So I customized our wedding date on there as well, and they just feel like the perfect piece for around our home. I also think this would make such a great gift idea. I kind of want to personalize all of these albums and make them for our family members for Christmas. It's just such an easy, quick project that you can do that's something that someone can keep forever. So I surprised Christian and made all 3 of these albums and showed them to him, and he loved them. It's just such a fun experience flipping through photo albums together and really having that memory in this hard copy. I love doing quick and easy Cricut projects, something that I can get done really quickly and it makes a big impact. So using everyday items that I already had, like these photo albums, and taking them to the next level with my Cricut machine made such a big difference. They look great styled with our decor, and you can just pull them out and flip through the album whenever you want. So they actually come in 2 different sizes. This is the 30-page book, and this is the 20-page book. The 30-page book is $32.99, and I like that it has double-sided pages, so every single page has its own photo, and it just looks crisp and clean. So instead of having your typical photo albums that you just store away and don't look at, you can create these special book memories and display them around your home so you can actually flip through them and really make it part of your life. So I love these forever kind of pieces. Each book probably took about 5 minutes to customize, so it's super quick and easy. The longest part is really sifting through your pictures and picking which ones you want to put in. So I love this idea. If you're looking to kind of customize a holiday gift and really give someone something special, definitely consider doing a project like this with these beautiful linen books. Now, everyone wants a super fluffy, comfortable bed, and I think the one thing you can do to really create that experience is get a good duvet. And I found the perfect one on Amazon. This is 100% cotton, mix of down and feathers, so it's super fluffy and warm. It's lightweight, but it has that warmth and airiness to it that really creates that fluffy experience. Something I'm always looking for in a duvet is that fluffiness, but also the ties on the corners. I want those loops there so I can loop in my duvet cover and it holds it securely in place so that the duvet isn't moving around inside the cover. So if you're looking for an affordable, good quality duvet, definitely check out this one. I love the way it lays on our bed. You can also double up on your duvets to get an extra fluffy look. If you already have one on your bed, you can lay a second one down to really create that full feeling and warmth in your bedroom. Now, if you're a beginner when it comes to DIY, or maybe you're intimidated by power tools and you just want to do things on your own quickly and easily, like putting together furniture, hanging artwork, even switching out switch plates around your home, you should definitely consider just starting out getting an electric screwdriver. This gets the job done quickly. It's super easy to use. There's one button, it's the size of your hand, and it comes with 9 different bits. So you can use these on many different screws. It's also completely cordless and comes with a charger, so you can use your electric screwdriver wherever you are. This is just $14.99, and it really is that beginner-friendly, easy to use piece that helps you kind of transition into power tools. If you haven't yet used a drill, you can definitely use this because it's a lot more lightweight. There's one button, you can't really do anything wrong, but this makes all of those small jobs go extremely quickly so that you're not twisting your wrist a million times to get something done. If you also experience wrist pain, this is definitely something you should consider if you're still working on those kind of DIY projects, but this is incredible. Everyone needs a little electric screwdriver so you can get it all done quickly. Something everyone needs around their home, especially if they're hosting, are napkins. Pretty napkins, and these are the prettiest. I found them on Amazon in a pack of 100, and they come in this really pretty sage floral pattern, and they just look vintage. They look kind of fall because they have those acorns on them, and I just think these are the prettiest napkins I've ever seen. But I also got them to transform our toilet paper into something really pretty. You can wrap your toilet paper in pretty napkins like this, and now your toilet paper looks like a decorative piece in your bathroom. So in your powder room, this would be a great little easy project that you can do to transform your space. It just adds a little bit of a decorative touch. It makes your toilet paper feel fresh and clean for when your guests are reaching for a new roll. And I think it gives you that hotel experience. So you just need some pretty napkins to create this. You just wrap the roll in your paper napkin and then press in the excess and you get this really pretty look. Now, if you want to install your own picture frame molding around your home, or if you want to do any trim work on furniture or small pieces, you can do that all pretty much without power tools if you use miter shears like this. These are sold on Amazon and these allow you to cut through small trim pieces. So that could be your picture frame molding, it could be your small detail molding for your furniture, but these are amazing. They're pretty much just a large pair of heavy duty scissors that snap through and give you those miter cuts to get those corners done. So to do corners of picture frame molding, you're looking to create that 45-degree angle on both pieces. And this allows you to adjust your angle dial to get the right angle and cut your piece seamlessly. If you're afraid of power tools or have never used them and you're looking for a beginner option to install this kind of thing on your own, you can definitely use these. I use these to do my entire home office, and I cut a ton of molding with them. I found that these actually work the best with PVC molding that's really lightweight and small wood molding. If you go with anything heavy duty, it is kind of hard to clamp down on these, but if you're going with lightweight trim, these will definitely do the trick and you can finish that DIY project all on your own. These are just $16 on Amazon and super beginner friendly. Now, I love when those everyday items that you have around your home, those pieces that you reach at every day, things that are left out on your countertop, look decorative and look pretty in your home. And that's exactly what this new knife block is. Look how cute and small this knife block is. This is by the company Lordell and it comes in different colors. So this entire knife block set comes in black, teal, like a mauvey dusty rose, and then this white. This is the type of kitchen essential that you'd want out on your countertop because it looks nice and it can match with your home aesthetic. So the quality of the knives are incredible as well. Super sharp that you actually have to be really careful, but I love that they're made at a little bit more of a smaller scale. So instead of those huge knife blocks that feel really intimidating and kind of scary to hold, these are made with a little bit more of a small handle and small size, but still have that really good quality. If you're looking for new kitchen knives, if you're looking for a good holiday present for someone that loves to cook, this would be such a good gift. I think one of the easiest ways to elevate the experience of your home is with glassware. I love making iced coffees and smoothies and putting them into a really pretty glass. These glass tumblers came in a pack of 2, and I love the texture and like the delicateness about them. They look pretty around your home, but it also just makes it really exciting making an iced coffee or smoothie and putting it into something that looks like this. It has that glass lid, that rubber seal to keep it really tight, and it comes with the glass straw. So it really has that all-in-one experience, but they really give you this to-go experience because of the shape and style of them. But since they are made of glass, you really get this elevated, elegant feeling when you use something like this. So I'm always looking for a new cup, a new mug to really step up my everyday experience. And these glass tumblers were such a good find on Amazon. So if you work from home, if you're at home a lot making different drinks, you definitely need something like this. All right, so that's it for my recent Amazon home finds. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you're looking for even more ideas on what you can purchase on Amazon for your home, definitely check out the videos I'll have linked down below in the description box. I've made a bunch of Amazon home find videos that have such great pieces in it. This one is actually one of my favorites. So if you've missed this video, definitely check that one out. But if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!